Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create dark and blue effect in Snapseed. And here's how it is done. Open your photo in Snapseed. Use the Tune Image tool. Lower the brightness to around -10 to -15. Increase contrast slightly. Lower ambience to around -20. Reduce highlights to darken bright areas. Go to the Curves tool. Select the blue channel and pull the curve down slightly to add a cool blue tint to the shadows. Use the Lens Blur tool. Apply a subtle vignette around the edges to create a dramatic focus effect. Final adjustments. Adjust saturation slightly to enhance the blues or tweak any other settings to your preference. Save the image. And that's everything you need to know about how to create dark and blue effect in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.